Hello friends, this is Rahul. Let's simply learn robotic process automation with UiPath. In this video, we will extract the data from multiple files and put it into the Excel file. Multiple file as in we will extract the data from PDF file and Word file. This is what I have. I have one PDF file and I have unstructured Word file. Yeah. So we will extract the data and we will put it into the Excel file. So let's open UiPath Studio. Name it to the process. Extract data from multiple files and okay. Create it. Yeah. So let me open main workflow. Create a sequence. Yeah. Now let me put this folder into the project folder. Yeah. Now, so basically we have a PDF and Word file. So for that to use read PDF and read text file, so we have to add extension that PDF we will add PDF activity. Similarly, we will add Word activities as well. Read the Word file. Yeah. Now we will use one assign activity. Okay, files, then directory dot get files, and then folder name from where we'll read the file, which is docs. Let me change this to string, array of string. Yeah. Now what we will do, we'll create one Excel file. Let's say extracted data. We will create few columns here based on the PDF extracted, that is something PNR, number, then PNR, then flight number, then from, to supply place and grand total. That is something nice. We'll save this file. We'll extract the data and store into these files. That's why we have created this file. We close this. Close this. Now we will use read range activity to read the data from the Excel file. We'll assign the path. It is extracted data file, and we'll create one output variable called extract data table. Control K. Control K. Extract dt. Yeah. Now we will use for each loop to read each file, that is files, and in body we will use another activity if. Why? Because we have two different files. One is PDF file and another is Word file. So we have to identify, and based on that we have to read PDF or read Word file activity we have to use. That is something path dot get extension of item, then toString dot contains PDF. So if the extension is PDF, then we will use read PDF text activity, and we will provide the variable that is something item, so to remove this error we have to make some changes here. For each activity there is a type of argument as a string. Yeah. Now another activity that we will use, read word, is something read text file. Let me check into the word activity. Word documents, read text. Yeah, and here is also we'll put item, and then we'll use, we have to provide variable here. So for that uh, we'll create a variable here, control K, extracted data or extracted uh, files. Similarly, extracted files. Okay. So far what we have done, we have read the files from the folder, and based on extension we have provided conditions. If it's a PDF file, then we will use read PDF text activity. We will use read PDF text activity. If it is a Word file, then it will be use read text file. Yeah. Now we will use matches activity, and here we will use basically regular expressions to extract the data. Okay, so I have already created regular expressions, so I'll be just use this the same one. Yeah. So in matches, that the input string would be extracted files, and then our pattern would be just I'll open a regular expression wizard, then it would be advanced, and I'll use this first one, and click on save. So I'll change this to ignore case and compiled. Yeah. And we will collect the result into the control reg regex result variable. Yeah. Now we will use one assign activity to collect the extracted data basically. We'll create one variable called number, and we'll use regex result 0 dot value. Yeah. Similarly, we will use log message activity. Log message just to print the result. It would be info, then number is, then number. Yeah. So this is what we have done to extract the number. Then similarly we will let's say copy these three, and then let me paste it. Similarly, I'll change this for another, that would be for the PNR, that we have to extract the PNR. I'll just replace this, save this. Control K, PNR, and I'll mention PNR is, and then PNR. Similarly, I'll copy this again and I'll paste it. Okay, Control save. Now another would be flight number. So in regular expression, I'll copy this, save this, and I'll create a variable called flight number. Control K. And here flight number is, yeah. So another would be from and to. So for from, I have a regular expression here. Control K, from. Already exists in a specified scope. Let me check. Yes. Okay, let me change this all to the sequence. It is in body. Let me delete this. Delete. Control K, from. Yeah. And again I'll mention the same one, that is from is, and I'll mention okay. Let me change this to from flight. Okay. Okay, another again I will be using for two, and then for two, this is the regular expression. Basically, I'll get variable control K to flight, is okay. After that, what we'll do, one more thing that I have to use, that is for supply from. Okay, we'll create a variable here that is place of supply. Control X, Control K, Control V. Yeah. Yeah. Now our last field would be that is something total. Yeah. So this is something extracting from the grand total. I'll save this. Control K, grand total. Okay. Now we will use here regex result dot group one dot value. Okay, so it would be regex results dot groups dot one dot value. Okay. Now one more assign activity we will be using here, and we'll create a variable control K, that is price, and we will grand total dot split yeah. So price, I need to change this into the string. Yeah, yeah. And then here home grand total, and then price one, index of one. Yeah. Now our another we'll use another activity, that is something add row, add data row, and we will put the array, that is first is number, then second one is PNR, third one is flight number, fourth one is from, fifth one is to, and then place of supply, and yeah, let me remove this dot. Yeah, okay. Our data table would be extract pt, and we will use one a right range activity to print the result. Mm, extract dt, it will be sheet 1, and then yeah, so that's it in our workflow basically. Let me put one message box here to see, check the extension. uh, Message. Yeah, so first of all we have used here as an activity, and we will collect all the files present under the folder. Then we will use for each loop, read each file. Then we will use a condition here, and based on that condition we have segregated with this is some based on the extension. If it is a PDF file, then it will use read PDF activity and then proceed further. If it is a doc file, then it will use read text file for word doc, for word activity, and then it will proceed further. So matches activity that we'll use and create regular expression. And if I explain you that regular expression, if our let me open the PDF file. Yeah, so this regular expression basically whatever character present after number, it will be extracted. Yeah, so I'll close this and let's run, save this and run this. Yeah, our first file is PDF file that we have put the log message. Yes, it will processed, and another is create node.doxed. Yeah, let me refresh and open the Excel file. Yeah, you can able to see the data is extracted correctly. Let me just delete this. I missed one thing there. That is something to add header for. Yeah, so this is something add header that I have checked it. Now let's run again. As you mentioned, as you see earlier, first file is PDF file and another file is create.docs file. Run, save this and Run it again. Mm, why this error is now? Okay, got it. Because the headers were not present. Yeah, now let's save it, close it. Let's run this again. Yeah, this is the first file, PDF file. This is another doc file. Yeah, let's check Excel file. Yeah, so you can able to see the data is extracted from both the files. That is, one is structured file, which is something I can say the PDF file, and another is the Word files. This is something unstructured data was there. But yes, using regular expression, we can extract the file, extract the data from the both the files. So yes, you can use using regular expression. You can extract the data from PDF or Word, or I would say any other file. Yeah, so that's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.